I think this pot is kind of cool. It's a little bit tight and collapsed in on right on that base, right? It twisted down, and then it's sort of sprouting outward. Looks like a horn or a bell of a trumpet of sorts, right? And I have some nice petals on the bottom. It wasn't an even number, it was an odd number, so I had to force one of the petals, but I still quite like how this looked. I feel like I have a couple of these sort of trees, but not very many, so it's a nice little surprise for today. We got this one over here. I think the tendrils on this one, especially that far tendril, you can kind of see it little folds over, right? Almost creates this like serpent-like image on the tips of those tendrils, right? I think those look kind of cool. It's really starting to function more as appendages rather than pattern on this one, right? I think the actual form itself is kind of meh, right? But the tendrils really set it off. And then we got this one on the top. You can see that crack or that water fissure. Sometimes when the water overhydrates a clay, it gets in between the clay particles and starts to rip it apart.